Hello, welcome to Entracte Audio. My name is George Taylor. Today we're going to showcase the Angela-Gilbert Yeung A210 power amplifier. So the difficult thing, this will be a very short video. The difficult thing about talking about power amplifiers is it's a power amplifier. You plug stuff into it, stuff goes out louder into speakers. I've been running this particular one with a couple of pretty interesting speakers. Actually, I've run it with the Fink Team Audio Kim speakers and ATC SCM40 speakers, neither of which is a particularly easy load. This drives them with total ease and clarity. There is no issue with anything. And I will say this every time I talk about an Angela-Gilbert Yeung amplifier. It sounds really good. It's clean, it's clear, it's punchy, it's powerful. This one is rated at 130 watts per channel into 8 ohms and about 200 watts per channel into 4 ohms. After telling you those numbers, I'll tell you that they're not, except in very clinical terms, they're not really all that meaningful. Suffice it to say, it's got a fair amount of power and will drive pretty much anything you connect it to. So, to look at the front panel, there's an on-off switch in the front panel, but I think we should look a little bit more carefully at the way the faceplates are constructed because they're actually pretty interesting. The A210 obviously has an input stage and an output stage, and on the front panel we have the symbol, a simplified symbol for an input stage and a very simplified symbol for the construct of an output stage. So simple looking. These are actually really attractive faceplates, I find. I find them strangely compelling. Moving around to the back, where some of the more interesting features are. Obviously on a power amp, you're going to have speaker binding posts on either side. We have inputs for XLR cables. We have inputs for RCA cables. We have a ground terminal. We have a ground lift switch. We have the IEC input for your power cord. And then we have the 2 upgrade jacks. This one is the SP capacitor pack jack. This one is the FCF jack. So this is if you want to grade the power supply to the input section. This is if you want to upgrade the power supply to the output section. Simple to use, push and click, and you've got an upgrade. And other than that, there's really not a whole lot to say other than I've been listening to this amplifier for almost 3 weeks now. I've got it paired with a C312 preamplifier, and it sounds terrific. I mean, this is literally, that combination is literally all anybody ever really is going to need unless you get the upgrade bug, in which case you can buy an upgrade and plug it right in. So as always, I would love to have you come by the shop and hear it. That's the best way to get any sort of sense of what this can do, what it's capable of. So if you'd like to find out more about the amplifier, a little bit more about specs and measurements and things like that, you can look online at www.angela-gilbert. I'm going to do that again, www.angela-gilbert.com. If you'd like further information from me, if you'd like to come and listen to it, if you've got questions about it, you can contact me via email at entracteaudio@rogers.com. You can also check my website out. Brand new website, by the way. Just put it up yesterday. www.entracteaudio.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of the day and hope to hear from you soon. Take care.